Hello and welcome back to Technical AUK YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you very important formulas in Microsoft Excel, like count, COUNTA, COUNTBLANK, COUNTIF, COUNTIFS, and 2 bonus formulas for you guys. Before I get started, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on my upcoming videos. Let's get started. Number 1, count formula. Count formula counts how many cells in a range contain numeric data numbers. Type equal and then type count and select range. Now you can see the output, and if I want to change text to number, then see the output will be change. And if want to change number to text, also see the output will also change. Number 2, COUNTA Formula. COUNTA Formula counts how many populated cells in a range not blank cell include. Type equal sign then type count A and select range. Now you can see the output. If I change numeric data to text, out doesn't change. If I remove text, then output will change to 4. I type age in blank cell, see the output change. Number 3, COUNTBLANK Formula. COUNTBLANK Formula counts how many blank cells in a range. Type equal sign then type count blank and select range. Now you can see 1 blank cell in selected range. I remove some data from range, you can see the output will also change. Number 4, COUNTIF Formula. COUNTIF Formula counts how many cells in a range meet a certain condition. In my case, I want to find how many pen available in A1 to A10 range. Type equal sign then type count if open parenthesis, select range then comma and type pen in double quotes. See the output. I change some cell to pen and see the output will change. Number 5, COUNTIFS Formula. COUNTIFS Formula evaluate different criteria in the same or different ranges. Type equal sign then type COUNTIFS open parenthesis item range then comma and type your first condition, then select quantity range type comma and greater than an equal sign enclosed in double quote, then type logical and sign and select C12 and press enter. Now I change some data, you can see an output. Bonus for you. In this example, I want to find out pen, which is also available in gel pen, pencil. In this bonus you learn subtotal formula. Basically, when I filtered list then also show list counting. But it is possible through subtotal function, not simple count function. Use count formula in D6 cell and subtotal formula use in D7 cell. Now list filter and see the count output and subtotal output. That's it. I hope you found these tips helpful, and please don't hesitate to leave a comment if you have any questions or feedback. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials on Excel and other topics related to technology.